Polaroid Mint is a 2-in-1 instant camera that makes capturing and printing instant photos easier than ever. Whether you keep them in an album or stick them on the wall, the typical squared photos with a white frame are simply iconic. The lithium-ion battery allows you to print about 40 photos from a single charge, and my favorite thing about the camera is the size. It fits in my back pocket easily, and if there is no one to take a photo of you, opt for a 10-second timer. The camera supports 3 color modes: color, black and white and sepia. Or you can add the classic Polaroid frame to your print. It also comes with a plastic wrist strap, a charging cable and a starter pack of ZINK paper. Coming in 5 colors, you can choose whichever you like. Let's go on a trip and test this out. Oh, kein Paper.